In this video, I'm going to show you how to pair Shokz earbuds. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so step one here, we need to power off the earbuds. So make sure your Shokz earbuds are turned off before you start pairing. Step 2, enter pairing mode. So press and hold the volume up button or the power button depending on the model for 5 to 7 seconds. Release when the LED light's blinking red and blue or you hear pairing through the speakers. Step 3, we need to go ahead and enable Bluetooth on your device. So go to settings, Bluetooth on your phone, tablet or computer. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Step 4, select your Shokz headphones. So look for one of these names in the Bluetooth list. Open Run, Shokz Open Move, Shokz Open Fit, etc. Tap to pair the device. You'll hear connected when pairing is successful. Now, if we want to go ahead and repair with a new device, so if your Shokz headphones are already paired with another device and won't connect, we can fix this. So turn off Bluetooth on the old device, turn off the Shokz headset, enter pairing mode again. So that is hold volume up or power for 5 to 7 seconds, connect from your new device Bluetooth settings.